Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to a Maths online class of class 3rd. Priya here. Hope you all are doing good. Students, today I am going to teach you Unit 6 means remaining exercises of Unit 6 and review worksheet. So pay attention here. Let's come on exercise 6C, page number 32. Here you will learn about borrowing tens, hundreds and thousands. You will learn subtraction. Question number 1, A part. The question is 5345 minus 623. So first you subtract one side, 5 minus 3 right here 2. Subtract the tens, 4 minus 2 right here 2. Now subtract the 100. Here you can see 3 less than 6, so take borrow from 5. Here will be 13. 13 minus 6 right here 7. And here 4 is remaining right here on 1000 place. 4 minus 0, 4. The answer is 4722. Now comes to B part. The question is 4459 minus 798. First you subtract the ones, 9 minus 8, 1. Now subtract the tens, 5 is 9, so take borrow from 4. 15 minus 9 right here 6. Now subtract the hundreds. Here 3 is remaining. Take borrow from here. 13 minus 7 right here 6. Now subtract the thousands. For 3 minus 0 right here 3. The answer is 3661. Now C part. The question is 3538 minus 1621. Subtracted, the answer is 1917. Now D part, the question is 7645 minus 3855. Subtract the ones, 5 minus 5 0. Now subtract the tens, take borrow from hundreds place. Here will be 14. 14 minus 5 right here 9. Now subtract the hundreds. Here 5 is remaining and 5 is less than 8, so take borrow from thousands. Here will be 15 minus 8 right here 7 in the space given. Now subtract the thousands. Here 6 is remaining now. 6 minus 3 right here 3. The answer is 3790. Students, these remaining part you do in homework in your books itself. Now question number 2, you have to do these part in your notebook. Question number 2, A part. The question is 1586 minus 655. Subtract the ones, 6 minus 5 right here 1. Now subtract the tens, 8 minus 5 right here 3. Now subtract the 100, 15 minus 6 right here 9. The answer is 931. Now B part, 2714 minus 846. Subtract the ones, take borrow from 1. Here will be 14 minus 6 right here 8. Here 10 minus 4 right here 6. Here 16 minus 8 right here 8. And here 1 is remaining. 1 minus 0 right here 1. The answer is 1868. Now C part, the question is 4319 minus 2843. Subtract the ones, 9 minus 3 right here 6. Now subtract the tens, 1 is less than 4, take borrow from 3. 11 minus 4, right here 7. Here 2 is remaining, take borrow from 4. 12 minus 8, right here 4. Here 3 is remaining, 3 minus 2, right here 1. The answer is 1476. Yes, now comes to question number 1 of exercise 6D. Question number 1A part. Subtraction sums are here. 91 minus 7. 1 is less than 7. Take borrow from 9. Here will be 11 minus 7, right here 4. Here 8 is remaining. 8 minus 0, right here 8. The answer is 84. Now B part. 84 minus 6. Take borrow from 8. 14 minus 6, right here 8. Here 7 is remaining. 7 minus 0, right here 7. The answer is 78. This part you do in homework in your books itself. Don't write and copy these questions. Now question number 2A part. The question is 263 minus 45. 3 is less than 5. Take borrow from here. 13 minus 5, right here 8. Now subtract the tens. 5 minus 4, 1. Here 2 minus 0, right here 2. The answer is 218. Now B part. The question is 372 minus 86. 2 is less than 6. Take borrow from 7. 12 minus 6, right here 6. Here 6 is remaining. 6 is less than 8. Here also you have to take borrow from 3. 16 minus 8, right here 8. Here 2 is remaining. 2 minus 0, right here 2. The question is the answer is 286. Now C part. The question is 415 minus 267. The answer is 148. Question number 2D part. The question is 600 minus 438. Subtract the ones. Take borrow. 10 minus 8, right here 2. Here 9 is remaining. 9 minus 3, right here 6. Here 5 is remaining. 5 minus 4, right here 1. The answer is 162. E part. 801 minus 574. Take borrow from 0 here because 1 is less than 4. 11 minus 4, right here 7. Here 9 is remaining. 9 minus 7, right here 2. Here 7 is remaining. 7 minus 5, right here 2. The answer is 227. Now question number 3A part. The question is 2567 minus 358. Subtract the ones. 7 is less than 8. Take borrow from 6. 17 minus 8, right here 9. Here 5 is remaining. 5 minus 5, right here 0. Now subtract the 100. 5 minus 3, right here 2. Now subtract the 1000. 2 minus 0, right here 2. The answer is 2209. Now B part. The question is 4852 minus 485. 2 is less than 5, so take borrow from 5. 12 minus 5, right here 7. Here 4 is less than 8. Take borrow from 8. 14 minus 8, right here 6. Here 7 is remaining. 7 minus 4, right here 3. And here 4 minus 0, right here 4. The answer is 4367. Now D part. The question is 6226 minus 237. The answer is 5989. Now D part. The question is 7004 minus 497. First we subtracted the one side. 14 minus 7, right here 7. Here 9 is remaining. 9 minus 9, right here 0. Here 9 is remaining. 9 minus 4, right here 5. And here 6 minus 0, right here 6. The answer is 6507. And these part you have to do in books in homework. Now let's come on question number 2. Question number 4. Do these sums in your notebook. Question 4, A part, 66 minus 27. 6 is less than 7, so borrow from 6. 16 minus 7, here you write 9. Here 5 is remaining, 5 minus 2, write here 3. The answer is 39. Now B part, the question is 186 minus 89. 6 is less than 9, so borrow from here. 16 minus, write here 7. Here 7 is remaining, borrow from here. 17 minus 8, write here 9. The answer is 97. Now C part, the question is 751 minus 95. 1 is less than 5, borrow from 5. 11 minus 5, write here 6. And here 4 is remaining, 4 is less than 9, you have to borrow from 7. 14 minus 9, write here 5. And here 6 is remaining, 6 minus 0, write here 6. And remaining parts of this you do in copies in homework. Let's come on exercise 6E. Here you will learn adding and subtracting in steps. First you see the example. Here first question is find 1456 minus 2437 plus 3147. Students, you have to add first the positive numbers like 1456 plus 3147. Add these numbers together, and from this number you have to subtract the negative number. 4693 minus 2437. The answer you will get 2166. Let's come on exercise part. Exercise 6E, question number 1, A part. The question is find 46 plus 32 minus 17. यहाँ पर स्टूडेंट्स आपको क्या करना है, ये जो पॉजिटिव नंबर्स हैं 46 और 32, इन दोनों को आपको ऐड करना है. यू विल गेट 78. और जो भी आंसर आएगा मीन्स हियर यू गेट 78. फ्रॉम 78 यू हैव टू माइनस 17. पहले ऐड करना है फिर माइनस करना है. एंड 78 माइनस 17, द आंसर इज 61. Now B part, the question is find 65 minus 38 plus 27. Here also the same you have to do. First you add the positive numbers 65 plus 27, and addition of these numbers, from the addition of these numbers means 92. From 92 you have to subtract 38, then you will get the answer. So from 92 minus 38, the answer is 54. Now question number 2, A part. Find 359 plus 83 minus 247. इसमें पहले आपको ये दोनों नंबर ऐड करने हैं, फिर जो आएगा उसमें से 247 माइनस करना है. So first you add 359 plus 83. The answer is here 442. And from 442 minus 247, the answer is 195. Now B part. Find 575 minus 453 plus 618. Here also the same you have to do. Add positive numbers 575 plus 618. Here you will get the sum 1193. And from this sum you have to subtract 453. The answer you will get 745. 848. Yes, now question number 3, A part. Find 3124 minus 2846 plus 4649. First you have to add the positive numbers. 3124 plus 4649. The answer is 7773. And from this number you subtract this number, 2846. The answer is 4927. Now B part. Find 1024 minus 512 minus 512. Here what will you do? From 1024 you subtract 512. You will get here 512. And from this number subtract this one. 512 minus 512. The answer is 0. I hope you understood this one. Students, let's come on page number 55, exercise 6F. Question number 1. These are word sums relating to subtraction. The question is, at a dog show there were 35 Alsatians. The number of pugs was 18 less. How many pugs were there at the show? Students, you have to subtract 18 from 35. The answer you will get here 17 pugs. Now second one is, Lisa's grandfather is 61 years old. Her aunt is 28 years younger than him. How old is her aunt? What will you do here? Subtract 28 from 61. The answer is 33 years old. Now question number 3. Mr. Bora ordered 925 cups of ice cream for his party, and at the end of the party 189 cups were left. How many cups of the ice cream did the guest have? So here what will you do? Subtract 189 cups from 925. The answer you will get here 736 cups. Now question 4. A poultry farm sold 5,392 eggs in a week. It sold 1,587 less eggs than next week. How many eggs did it sell the second week? So here you subtract 1,587 from 5,392. Here he sold in second week 3,805 eggs. Now question number 5, A part. Do these sums in your notebook, students. Super Express has 624 seats. 128 seats are in AC coaches. How many seats are there in non-AC coaches? आपके पास सुपर एक्सप्रेस में कितनी सीट्स है? 624. 128 सीट्स AC कोचेज़ में है. आपको इसमें नॉन AC कोचेज़ की सीट्स बतानी है. तो क्या करेंगे आप? 624 में से AC कोचेज़ लेस कर देंगे. Now B part. If 286 students join in a school, their school will have 1500 students. How many students does the school have now? Now see, third one is, there were 8,725 people watching a match in a stadium. During a break, only 2,655 people remained in the stadium. How many people went out? स्टेडियम में 8,725 लोग मैच देख रहे थे और ब्रेक के टाइम केवल 2,655 लोग स्टेडियम में थे. तो कितने लोग बाहर गए? सो व्हाट विल यू डू? माइनस इट. 2,655 you have to subtract 2,655 from 8,725. Now D part. What number when added to 500 gives 750? You have to subtract 500 from 750. You will get the number. Now E part, what number when added to 4569 gives 7241? Here you have to minus 4569 from 7241. You will get the number. The solution of these questions I am giving. Students, these are the solution of question number 5A part. A, B, C, D and E part. Note down in your copies these parts neatly. Question number 5, A part. Do these sums in your notebook, students. A part is Anil had 64 color pencils and he lost 35 of them. Then his mother bought him a box of 24 color pencil. How many color pencils does he have now? सबसे पहले आप 64 में से 35 माइनस करेंगे और जो आएगा उसमें आप 24 ऐड कर देंगे. और एक काम और कर सकते हैं आप, 64 में 24 ऐड कर दीजिए, फिर जो आंसर आएगा उसमें से 35 लेस कर दीजिए. नाउ बी पार्ट. ए शॉप सोल्ड 350 veggie burgers and 215 non-veg burger on Sunday. It sold 301 veggie burger and 259 non-veg burger on Monday. On which day did it sell more? एक शॉप ने संडे में तो 350 वेजी बर्गर और 215 नॉन वेज बर्गर्स सेल किए और मंडे में शॉप ने सेल करे 301 वेजी बर्गर एंड नॉन वेज बर्गर 259. आपको क्या करना है, संडे में जो भी सोल्ड किया है शॉप ने वो ऐड करेंगे और जो सेलिंग मंडे में हुई है उन दोनों को ऐड करेंगे. देन यू विल गेट द आंसर कि जिसमें ज़्यादा सेल हुई है वो डे आपका करेक्ट है. नाउ सी पार्ट. देयर वर 9,946 पीपल इन अ टाउन. इफ़ 4,457 आर मैन, 3,962 आर वुमेन, हाउ मैनी चिल्ड्रन आर देयर? तो आप क्या करेंगे इसमें बेटा, आप पहले मैन और वुमेन ऐड कर लेंगे, जो आएगा आप जितने भी टोटल पीपल हैं यहाँ पर उसमें से आप टोटल मैन एंड वुमेन लेस कर देंगे. देन यू विल गेट द चिल्ड्रन. नाउ डी पार्ट. रवि स्कोर्ड 9,735 पॉइंट्स इन 3 गेम्स. टोटल 3 गेम्स. फर्स्ट गेम में उसने स्कोर किया 3,568. इन सेकेंड गेम ही स्कोर्ड 3,983. नाउ यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट इन थर्ड गेम हाउ मच ही स्कोर्ड. तो आप क्या करेंगे, पहले आप फर्स्ट और सेकंड गेम को ऐड कर लेंगे जितना भी स्कोर गेन किया है उसने, फिर जो आएगा 9,735 में से माइनस कर देंगे. देन यू विल गेट द आंसर ऑफ थर्ड गेम. एंड आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ दीज क्वेश्चंस. Question 5 A part. This is the solution of A part. B part. And this is the solution of C part. C part. And this is the solution of D part. Note these answers properly in your copies. Listen students, review worksheet 2 you have to do in homework in books itself, yourself. And in next video I will give you the answers of this review worksheet. Thank you everyone, keep learning and stay safe at home.